Well, hello. Wait, Williams, Philippines. Hi. It is about 6:45 on Friday, February 7th, 2025. And I hope everybody's doing good. I hope your weekend is off to a good start. And yeah, yesterday was pretty productive for me. I made a few trips around the alley and I filled up 3/4 of a dumpster. Yeah, I collected way too much stuff, and a lot of stuff just went out the door. It's kind of like this box here. This box has a whole bunch of water pumps in it, brand new in the package. Yeah, they were all from an aquaponics setup, and they're not all, brand new. Well, all those are brand new. This one has about a month worth of use on it, and yes, that's a big one. Moves lots and lots of water. I wish, yeah, part of me wants to put them all into a box and ship them to the Philippines because they're a good brand of pumps in most cases. That one there's especially a good one. Uh, it's high dollar and yeah, it pumps a lot of water. And they were all from my aquaponics setup. That was for my larger, uh, and it was too big to use in my uh, medium large. Yeah, it was just too powerful for that. It was blowing fittings. Not good. Because that thing will drain a stock tank of 150 gallons of water in less than 30 minutes. Actually, it'll drain it in less than 15 minutes. So, yeah, no matter how high it has to pump it. Yeah. Needless to say, it was real good for my fish pond out there that was somewhere around, I think it was 900 gallons, and it went up to an 8 foot tall uh, height for the to go up into the uh, fill tank that allowed it to fill the tank. When the tank got full, it flushed and sent everything through the various grow beds, and it dumped into there, filled them up real quick, and everything drained out real quick. And then it would take the time to fill again, and then it would repeat, and it would do this a few times. Uh, and it was filling up about a 35 gallon or so into a 55-gallon drum, and then flush and go back into my grow beds and overflow those and send them down. I miss that aquaponics setup. But again, it's outside. It was outside, and yeah, you couldn't keep it running all the time. You had to break it down during the winter. Otherwise, you'd freeze a pump and freeze a pipe. Don't need to have that happen. Needless to say, part of me would like to put all these into a ballot buying box and ship them over. The problem is, you know, this thing runs off 110. I wish it did 220, but it doesn't. Yeah, it's just 120, 110, 120, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't do 220. I guess I could get a converter over there, but those things, yeah, I'd just rather buy a new one. But that gives me a whole bunch of pumps and such to get rid of. And not everybody needs a water pump for, fish pond or a fish tank. This is going to be fun to get rid of, okay? uh, yeah. I have more of that kind of stuff. I got a lot of pipes and such that, and then I've got the stock tanks, 110 and 155 or 150. Yeah. Now I got some 55-gallon grow beds. Oh, yeah, I got to get those emptied out of the hydrogen pellets and the lava rock. Woo, yeah. So much fun, so much fun. But I did get a lot done yesterday, and I'm happy about that. Managed to go over and drop off my last 10 desktops. Now, see, I wasn't thinking I was going to get much out of them. I was just going to carry them over to Best Buy and toss them into the e-waste bin. But when I got over there, they didn't have an e-waste bin. The guy said, yeah, they stopped. A store that has a lot of e-waste that, you know, people bring in and do this. I don't know why. Apparently, they were not getting enough of it because other places were paying people for that stuff and just giving it to them. I didn't think about it, so I went to the recycling place. The first two didn't take them. They said go around to there. So I finally went around to there from the second one telling me that, and I got over there and I was quite surprised. Uh, and I probably should have got more out of it. I knew they were worth something, but uh, I wasn't expecting it to be that much. 10 computers. I figured, I'd make a little bit, but 10, $15, 20. I got $45 out of these, $4.50 for each of them. Yeah, well, don't get me wrong. They had, each of them have hard drives, each of them have the motherboards, each of them have, the various this, that's, and the others. So, yeah, if nothing else, they got a lot of good scrap metal. But then there's power supplies in there that have a lot of copper. Uh, all these different wires and such in there that have copper in them. And then on top of that, the motherboard and yeah, all that. Needless to say, and some hard drives. And those things have, older ones especially, have those rare earth magnets in them. And yeah, so there's a bunch of good stuff inside those things. Needless to say, like I said, I got $4.50 each average. Uh, $45 and some pennies, coins. I was happy with that. Uh, yeah. So my day wasn't spent totally just throwing things away. I did make some money, which was good. Uh, and I missed getting my last package out to UPS. They're going to have to come back again and try again tomorrow or today. Apparently, they came in right after I went around the corner to go to one of the trash runs. Yay! Could have been worse. I don't know about you, but yeah, trying to get everything packed out and sorted out and decide what is junk, what is possibly sellable at a garage sale, uh, and all these other things is getting to be very interesting. And I do need to get that garage sale set up and going, and yeah, I need to get that sign out, which means I need to mow the front yard because I got some tall stuff sticking up, and I need to have it low just for having a garage sale. People don't want to walk through tall weed heads in the yeah, to look at things. So I need to get out there and mow. Probably going to try to do that today. I was going to try to get it done, but I didn't get to it. Uh, but I still got several more things. Out of all those batches of trash that I carried around, filling up most of the dumpster. I didn't carry out my kitchen garbage or my little trash cans around the house. It's like I got 4 little trash cans, and I usually just tie the top of a grocery sack up and toss them in with it. I didn't even get those done yesterday. Yeah, that's okay. Somewhere around, I got another one of these. Is that it? No. Yeah. And I still have large number of boxes and such that from things that have come in, I need to take and get things thrown into them so that I can carry them out for a garage sale. There's some uh, ammo and such that I need to get sorted into different packages to sell at a gun show. I need to take and get in touch with the lady today about the gun show, because I think that's not this weekend, but next weekend. So, yay. Fun stuff, fun stuff. And it seems like I'm all the time behind. I really need time off just to take care of all this stuff. But you got to make your dollar, otherwise your bills get behind. So, yay. Well, yeah, the get this thing out and go and try to cook something for breakfast, because it's about that time, and well, I'm hungry. Something needs to be put on the plate. Actually, a lot of something. I'm actually hungry. And well, I think it's time to eat. Because I'm always telling y'all, friends, family, food, and more food. Well, I need more food. It's that time of day for me. Anyway, I hope y'all have a blessed day, a blessed weekend, and friends, family, and food, and more food. And hopefully I can get a few more things done before 1, 12. I think I'm going to actually try to go bed early today. Because I got to get up and go face my Monday. And being rested for it would be nice. Although my little thing on the watch it's trying to say I'm supposed to sleep between 10:30 and 7, even though I keep telling it I sleep from 2 to 9:30, 2 to 10. It's got both of them in there, and it's doing both of them. So it's giving me nasty reports on one and chaotic ones on the other. Yeah. I don't think I've had one that actually read more than 5 hours out of it total so far. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm William Williams Philippines. Please hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, I do get back with my commenters. I try to make sure I always do that. And at this point, I don't have enough of you to make it that hard. Yes, I had a person from Australia yesterday, and then my 2 pretty regular ones. I'm missing you, Crunch. Where are you? Anyway, there's a couple others that comment. Y'all, please comment. I don't mind having a conversation with you on here. Anyway, Williams Philippines. Later blessings. Bye bye. Hey, I'm fishing. Fish is out.